Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. You're looking at 9 torpedo pots that are full of cucumber seeds. Now, we have approximately about 8 seeds in each planter, about 8 seeds in each planter. Oh, you can see that. Somebody went and clipped off my cucumber plant. Look at that. Hope it was probably right there. Yeah. So we started out with about 30 seeds. We cut them back to 8. And you can see one of them now being cut out. But we cut them back to 8 and they look beautiful. I love them. I love them. I love them. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter and it grows your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again. You never water. You never feed. All you do is supplement and you'll get food for the rest of your life. So we put 30 seeds in, we cut them back to 8. And so we're trying to find out if any more grows. Do we have to do any more separation of the seeds? But for the most part, we're doing about 8 of them. They look fantastic. Don't they look good? They look really, really good, guys. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter and it grows your food for you. The smaller ones, these are the 16 inches. As you can see, this one we only have 6 inside of there. We only need 6. Yeah, we normally have 4 feet. We do about 72 of the cooties. But it looks like because we have 9 planters, we're going to do a lot more. We're aiming for about 200. You just have to make sure that they're still growing. They're doing what they need to do. But guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and you're guaranteed to have a lot of cucumbers. And so this has 6 in it, so I might just take one out of here and put it into another planter. Let me show you how easy it is to transplant in a torpedo pot. You simply, I don't want to take out any, what should I take out? 6 in this one. I really only need 5. Let's take out this right here. Well, these are close together. Let's take out this right here. It's close to the other 2. Is that good? Let's just see if we can pull that out. I was able to do it a little bit, right? So let's see if we can take it. This is 5 in here. Looks cool. These are 16 inch right here. 5 in there. 6 in that one. There's 6 in that one. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8 in that one. Ooh, it looks nice. And how many in this one? A 20-inch planter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. I guess you got to kind of, I didn't need to move any at all. They're doing pretty good on their own. They're doing very good on their own. Yeah, I don't need to do anything. All right, Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Now, what I want you to get used to is that everything about the cucumber is edible. Okay? These are torpedo pots. What you do is throw your seeds in the planter, throw your plants in the planter, and it grows your food for you. Yeah, they look pretty dirty, don't they? They've been growing now for 8 years. Once you make a purchase, it'll last you almost a lifetime. Put your seeds in the planter. Put your plants in the planter. I never water. I never feed. And these little seedlings here, they're completely edible. And they're delicious. I'm going to try one right now. You ready? Tastes just like a cucumber. Really, really good. All right. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.